Here we go again. Mini Olympic Village walk part 2. Since part 1 the sound didn't work. It says recording with mic. I do a 20-minute walk and it comes up Charlie Chaplin. Damn it, man. It's a good thing I'm walking back the same way I came so I don't have to come back and do it. I'll just do it on the way back, guys. I was starting at Main Street Station, but now I'm starting at the target where I was headed to, Habitat Island. Little tiny island just off the seawall in the Granville Island seawall side of the walk at Falls Creek. Beautiful, guys. I had to come do a little mini slice of the one I did all the way to Granville Island. Right behind me is where you would keep going to wind up at Granville Island. It's beautiful, man, but it takes like 45 minutes at a gentle pace or whatever, so you can really enjoy stuff. But this one will be about 15 minutes or so, and I'm just going to walk back to the SkyTrain station. So hopefully the sound works, man, because I'm dying already. Hang on, guys. It's a beautiful day in Vancouver. Check it out. All right, here we go. Hopefully this one's got some sound, baby, because this was a beautiful walk. Little mini version of my Olympic Village / Granville Island seawall walk. Starting out at the island. Man, it's beautiful, guys. 3-4 degrees Celsius. December 19th, 2021, baby. Man, look at that. Paddle boarders, kayakers, little ferries, yachts, right out your window. Let me tell you, I'm hoping to get in somewhere like that. Believe it or not, there's low-income housing there. It's stuck in the middle somewhere, but I don't care. It's like a 2-block walk to right where I am right now. Tons of food and coffee there and everything. SkyTrain, I go back and forth downtown. It's like 5 minutes. Oh, walk to Granville Island. Just sweet, man. I'm really hoping I get in there, because where I am is making me sick as a dog. Literally. That's one of the reasons I haven't been doing any walking videos lately. Just too tired. Wake up tired. I've had the longest sleeps in my life. 9 hours and I'm still cooked. Aching all over. There's something wrong. But anyways, back to the fun part here. Look at this. Even the ducks are out having a blast. Bunch of little guys here. One of the old ferries, yep. Falls Creek Ferry. Check that ride out, guys. It was my first time ever. I can't believe it took me till the age of 57 to get on that thing. $9, almost the full length. I got on just one stop away from Kitts Beach and rode all the way down to Science World. Had the whole thing to myself, chatting up the camera guy. Check that ride out, man. Look at those decks over there. Sitting on deck, reading whatever, tunes going, jazz, candles, food, barbecue. Oh, please, somebody, let's get rich. Couple $1 million, at least. But I don't care. Either side is good. It's a lot more quiet over here. Granville Island, Olympic Village size. Tons of restaurants too, shopping. It's another reason I want to move down here. Convenience of stuff. I don't got a car, so that helps a lot. And the less busing and SkyTrain I gotta take, the better. Because I've been riding that sucker since 1969 and I've had enough. If I can avoid it. Oh man, there's 2 of them. There's the Aqua Bus. 2 different companies, 2 different style of boats. I prefer the other ones. They're a lot smaller. You get down closer to the water. Dog parks all over this town, which is good because there's a ton. Man, I love dogs. It's too poor to have one. It's as expensive as having a kid, man. Food, insurance, all kinds of stuff. Little mini beaches for you to plop your chair down on. The entrepreneur life. Work on your laptop or your phone right there. Lots of little parks right across from your condo. Coffee shops. mean, look at that. I have seen some of those on the real estate channel, the videos. Oh man, the sub-penthouse is almost better than the penthouse, bigger deck. Oh man, fitness babes all over the place. I forgot about that too. Man, these yuppies. I think I'm a nice Christian guy. I'm trying to be anyways. I mean, look at that, the mountains. It's hard to beat Vancouver aesthetically, guys, on a sunny day. Mountains, beach, shopping, everything in like one peak. Man, skiing to the beach and down to 5-star shopping and eating. All in a half an hour. And like I was saying in the Charlie Chaplin version, this little deck here, I'd be standing on there with a coffee, waiting for my perfect lady to walk by and chitter chatter her up. It doesn't hurt to get rejected when you're standing on your own deck. Go back to bed. I mean, man, never run out of people to talk to. Oh yeah, it's fun cycling this thing too. I forgot about that. Whether you're pedaling or walking, it don't matter. I'm gonna get off the walkway. I don't feel like getting ran over. But those bikes are like $2,000 for a decent one. You know, Fat Tower electric mountain bikes, everybody's getting them. Look at that, it makes sense. That way you can go on a massive exploration of this town and not get exhausted. When you had to strictly pedal, oh, forget it. Even doing Stanley Park would wipe you up. Now you can basically electric glide around the whole park and not even sweat. That's good for the summertime. No heat stroke riding the bike around. Those little stairs, we take a cushion, sit down and listen to your tunes. Bring your morning coffee over if you're living right here. Whatever you want. Yeah, my fingers are pointed to the sky. God, let me move in here. I think there's gyms, Cairo, everything down here too within walking distance. Even if I was rich, I'd consider this neighborhood, let alone $300 a month. I mean, these people got it made. Hopefully there's a gym in the building too, because it was made for athletes, so that could be a super, super bonus. I've never had the ability to go downstairs and work out anywhere I've lived. That'd be something I couldn't even comprehend. I mean, look at that. That's not too high, so I'm getting vertigo, but high enough to give me a vantage point. Oh yeah, Terra-Breads, I'm coming here. Good baked goods. Window seat, not too, oh, they got heated deck too. Man, I can sit outside. Perfect. I'm tempted. Well, I gotta get this finished. Yeah, there's a London Drugs. There's a craft beer / restaurant, pub. All kinds of stuff right below your house. And I'm pretty sure it's all concrete construction, so it's gotta be quiet. I can't remember what this restaurant is. Oh, Top and Barrel. But what a view. Oh. Yeah, in the summertime, the outer deck was packed. COVID packed. I better cross over. I keep forgetting one's for bikes. I'm gonna get yelled at.
Yeah.
I need some of those walking sticks too. That's a good idea, especially in the winter time. Some Soviets. До свидания. Oh man, you can hear the birds singing. That's beautiful. Kayaks loading up. Good day for that. You won't sweat to death. Well, I guess you could do a rollover if you wanted to cool down. Oh, they're building me a new condo here too. Good timing, man. I'll take the one in the front. Oh yeah, they have dragon boats in there too. Dragon boat racing. The summertime starts down here, or ends down here. Finish line. That's cool. I can't remember if I've been in Science World. Not anything worth me looking at. More like Science Fiction World is probably a better term for it. Ah, what a shot. Little Indian guy. Man, that's kind of crazy on ice, buddy. Shit. Excuse my language, guys, but I'm praying for that guy. You hit a patch of ice on a single flat wheel thing like that, and that's doom. Phew. Buddy, I'd go on the sunny side where it's melted. Oh yeah, even just parking your yacht here and living on it. All that stuff around you, perfect. Lots of tourists even in the wintertime. Oh man, I just saw this babe. That was a quick run. Holy, she must have went down to Granville Island and back. Yeah, check out the full walk, guys, all the way down to Granville Island. It took about 45 minutes to an hour. So I decided it was such a nice day to give you a little slice. I hadn't been to the island either on the way there. I just didn't have the time or the energy. So this is just going to give you a slice of what's coming on that one. Check it out, pass it around. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, baby. Help the old guy out. I want to monetize the channel. Make some money, get off disability. Get some osteopath, chiro, all that stuff, man. My body's a wreck, guys. Kills me just doing these little ones. I ain't complaining, but I'm just telling you, this is why I'm doing it, to try to get off of this, get healthy, and upscale everything, man. Thanks for walking with me, guys. That was a beautiful walk, beautiful day. And look at that. You can come to Vancouver, let me know. We'll have a coffee, point you in the right direction, all kinds of goodies. Take care, guys. Thanks for walking with me.